Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in this key fob. This is out of a 2015 Corolla. You're going to need a flat tip screwdriver, about this size is best. And also one of these 2016 batteries. You can get these off Amazon for just a few dollars. I've put a link below in the description. That'll take you straight there. So right here by the trunk button, there's a little notch right here. Take your screwdriver, insert it here, and just pry those two halves apart. This portion here is where the battery's housed, and you want to gently remove this. These buttons here can very easily come out, so just be careful with those. Now this says to use coin to open. I'm just going to use the screwdriver since I already have it, but you definitely can use a coin right here. So I'm just working my way around, and then once you kind of prop it out a little bit, you can just pop it the rest of the way with your fingernail. Now I'm going to take my screwdriver here, just pry out that 2016. Take the old battery out, the new one goes in positive side facing upward. And then you just want to put this back into here, give it a nice clip, and then set that back in here. Close this up and you're all set. No need to reprogram. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.